again, it's Leslie Zucker, coach, facilitator, trainer, and dancer. Today's video is part 2 of the 2-part series. They're both about this. It's the document called, that's the foundation and the formula to deliver workshops that bring in clients. It's that resource that you already have from me. Today I'm going to cover the part 2, that's the formula. This is on page 8 if you have it. So the main point I want to make here is to structure all 3 parts of your workshop with equal intention. What I see is that so many people consider the whole workshop to be just what I think is only the middle. And they pay a lot of attention to it, of course, but they're forgetting such important parts, which are the beginning and the end. So I want to refer you back to what's in here about the beginning and the end that's so useful, and hope you don't skip it. So the beginning. This is when you show your ideal clients that you really understand them, that you know what it's like to be in their shoes and in their heads. You remind them of their struggles and their problems, and you provide that reassurance that you can help them. Okay, I see so many people in the beginning of their workshop start with their credentials, like I have these degrees and these certifications and this many years of experience. And I personally think that we sort of glaze over and tune that stuff out because it's like, yeah, great, I have a lot of credentials too, but that doesn't mean that you really are going to be able to help me. So what I recommend is that you reflect back to them what their situation is so that you earn their credibility, that you really understand them. Of course, you have to really understand them to be able to do this well. And then the middle I'm going to skip because I know that so many of you are good at that, and I find that that's probably the piece that you're brilliant at. So stick to that. But then the end is where I want to remind you again. This is when you invite people to take action to buy your product or service. Okay? And then you can sweeten the deal so they don't delay and take that action right away. And in this part, it's so important that you have that confidence and the clarity to stand up in front of a group and not feel like a salesy person pushing anything on them, but rather just have that it's really about self-confidence to just say, this is what I do, these are the results that you can get from it. If that lines up with what you need, we're a match. And it's not anything cheesy or to be embarrassed about. It's just the self-confidence to know that you can help them. So those are the 3 parts that I want you to structure with equal intention. Don't focus all of your attention and intention on what I just consider the middle. Really look at the beginning and the end. And again, if you need additional resources, it's all right here in this document. Okay? If you need it again, let me know. I'll send you the link. In the meantime, hope this is helpful. Bye.